नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome every one of you sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world, especially Raju Malhotra ji. Welcome to San Jose Adinam. I welcome you with all my love and blessings and respects. Thank you for coming to Adinam and delivering a speech. I welcome every one of you sitting with us all over the world. There is so much going on, it's like I am full of Sadashivoham now. The time, space, energy, everything is full of Sadashivoham. The Kurmasana is ready, means the Meru Standila need to be built where this process is going to happen. So the Kurmasana is already ready. More and more, the next level spiritual alchemy processes are happening. I feel the whole cosmos is preparing. See, the 2012 to 2015, that conscious shift, it happened beautifully with Cruz and Shivoham and Nityanandoham, inner awakening in Bali. Beautifully it has happened. Now, after that energy shift is completed, altogether in a different level this whole process is getting ready. I can see very clearly, even this Kumbh Mela, whatever efforts I was putting in this Kumbh Mela, Shuddhadvaitam process, I am seeing all that is flowering. I tell you, the seeds put during the Kumbh Mela is sprouting and bringing results. I can see. Now actually in this Sadashivoham, I am not even putting the seed, I am directly planting the sapling. The seeds which are already grown, which has become sapling, I am planting the sapling. So the success ratio will be too high, literally 100%. Understand, it is actually a lot of understanding and lot of manifestation. In next few days, you will get to see an important ritual, plowing the land and planting the Garbha for Sadashivoham preparations. If you are an inner awakening graduate, Sadashivoham is your right, don't miss it. And If you are not an inner awakening graduate, Sadashivoham is your responsibility. Don't miss it. If you are an IA grad, Sadashivoham is your right. Don't miss it. If you are not an IA grad, Sadashivoham is your responsibility. Don't miss it. Actually, I feel it is literally like a manifestation even for me. The thousands and thousands of things manifesting even inside me. The most powerful, subtle spiritual vibrations and frequencies. So even though I have all that inside the body, now only I am opening like a box by box and taking it out and start preparing for Sadashivoham. I am seeing thousands of multiple usages of these energies. For example, I have opened a new energy inside me to energize this land and plow the land and plant the spiritual Garbha, and suddenly I realized this is exactly the method, system through which the interplanetary travel was being done. See, actually, I am literally establishing a powerful high frequency zone where all the high frequency beings can land, a kind of a cosmic airport. Kind of a cosmic airport. Then I understood this is exactly the science through which we had the higher level beings, what West calls aliens. We don't call them aliens because we know them very well. Actually, we live with them and they live with us, so we don't call them aliens. We call them alliance. They are our alliance, not aliens. Rishi, Muni, Siddha, Gana, Gandharva, all of them are alliance for us. They are not aliens for us. Our alliances, the way they used to come and go, was exactly based on this same technology. And at least 20, earlier I said 10, now I am telling you at least 20 powerful spiritual alchemy products. Most of them are directly hand done by me, because most of them I have to do it by myself. Nothing can be done. I had to just throw myself into the highest state of samadhi and either write or energize or infuse energy into it, and the Sri Yantras, hand carved, and the other various mandalas like Chidambara Chakram, which I myself directly received from Arunagiri Yogeshwara and what not. The whole lot of preparation, the whole lot of action happening. Somebody asked me, I think from Seattle only, can I come next year? Anyhow, the next year Inner Awakening you will share all this. I said, no, it is impossible. Please understand. See, after Shivoham, the Shivoham process I delivered in the further Inner Awakenings. After Nityanandogam, the Nityanandogam process I shared with you all in the next Inner Awakenings. But please be very clear, even that is only the essence of Shivoham. Essence of Nityanandogam, not the whole Nityanandogam process or whole Shivoham process. Now, even the essence is not possible because it is all about the spiritual alchemy products. I don't think I have time to create that spiritual energy alchemy products again and again. You see, now I took 3 months off literally. No programs, no personal interviews, no work. I'm just sitting and constantly making. Please do not expect the essence of Sadashivoham after the December. It is literally impossible to make all those spiritual alchemy products. Actually, the process I can share, but the spiritual alchemy products, making them, energizing them, the pure copper sheet is coming from Bombay, because nowhere else we are able to get the highest pure copper sheet. So to that detail, the whole organizing, getting, procuring, energizing, planning, it's a lot of fun and a lot of energy. So please understand, it is not like Shivoham. After the Shivoham process, in the next inner awakenings, you had the, even that is essence of Shivoham. Of course, in a way it is possible because it is all about only spiritual process. But here, Sadashivoham, not only a spiritual process, lot of spiritual alchemy products involved as alchemy process. So, I don't think anyway we will be able to give you the essence of Sadashivoham in the further inner awakenings. So make your urge urgent. Make your question quest. And I tell you, postponing is the most cunning way. You are kept inside the matrix. See, even saying straight no, it hurts you. So saying later on, you feel very comfortable. And in the matrix 1, the traitor is your postponement. The villain traitor character is your postponement. Understand? Postponement, finding some reason to postpone. Postponing is literally like a cancer which will continue to keep you in matrix and continue to keep you in the dull space. See, actually Sadashivoham 2016 does not demand your money or time. It needs you waking up and looking beyond the matrix. Actually, that's all it needs. The will, persistence to look beyond the matrix. How the relevant realities are mistaken as the existential reality. See, your inner space is so much occupied by the relevant realities, not the existential realities. In existence, your relevant realities are irrelevant. I always tell people, whatever is useful for you, your wealth, your age, your beauty, your body, your health, your skill sets, your time, your life, nothing is useful for me. Please understand. You have something in you which you don't know, which only I can awaken, is only useful for me. That is consciousness. Only that will be useful even for you in existential reality. Actually, if I am sitting and asking for money, I'll have too much. Especially the powers I'm manifesting. You see, usually, if a school or college, they develop for first few years, and once they are successful, they will only raise their money, they will only raise their charges, they will only make themselves more expensive. See me, I made my Gurukul successful ultimately in 10 years, now I am making it free. Understand? Anybody who has done this process of growing it and making it successful will make that school as a high-paid school. Here I made the whole thing successful, establishing, the powers are manifested very systematically, not just spiritually alone, scientifically and ethically. After all that, suddenly one fine morning I am declaring the whole Gurukul is free for all. Now really few people asked me, what is this, Swami? This is the time to make money. I said, relax. This is the time to make consciousness. This is the time these saplings are planted in thousands of people and real enlightenment-based education system happens. Actually, I wanted this as a tagline. Nityananda University's tagline, we enlighten, that's all. One word tagline, we enlighten. It is time we do the job for which we happened. Understand, the whole Sadashivoham is just to make you wake up and look beyond the matrix. Look beyond the Maya matrix. Look beyond the life you understand as life. Sadashivoham is the ultimate incoming call from Kailasa. We have a long day today preparing for Sadashivoham. All the spiritual alchemy products and making this whole spiritual alchemy science as reality, making you experience it. Maybe in further satsangs I'll explain more and more details of this whole science, how the energy is installed in the ground, how the spindle, the standila, is built, how the various garbha energies are placed to create an energy field. It's literally like almost a spiritual atomic power station getting built. For an atomic nuclear reactor, how much of care you take, the same way, this is a spiritual atomic nuclear reactor, new and clear. And every time we energize and make every spiritual alchemy product, I am seeing clearly, whoever is inside this campus, all their energy levels are going up. All their integrity level is going up, energy level is going up. I am seeing hours together. Actually, the number of working hours of Adinavasis has drastically increased. One day, Adhigaranandi's courtyard extension office, and another, the spiritual push happening in various levels. The further satsangs I'll explain the more deeper details. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living, Shuddhadvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.